I came across the video and I go TikTok and I thought maybe angishare the video and I was just understand it. Ngazathi cause lento lena yabantu bokufika yokuthi kube yibona abasebenzayo thina singasebenzi kumele futhi sibheke nxa zonke zinganza ukuthi sinakhohlisana futhi along the way sikhulume iqiniso so that we would be like hold ourselves accountable ko yonke into eyenzakalayo singenza ukuthi we can't deny the fact that ngiyabona abanye abantu abakaswa lento ukuthi abantu bokufika bathi abantu base-South Africa bangamavela this and that singenza kwethu asikwazi ukubalekela elinye lamaqiniso asikhuthele ngalo ndlela asikhuthele nje nalo ndlela singenza kwethu asinakubalekeli lokho asikhuthalanga ngalo ndlela singakwenzela nje imizekelo kuze kushona ilanga sikwenzele ngisho umzekelo nje kubakhe uma kuthi wake waba umuntu wakha indlu wake mhlawumbe wasebenza nabantu bokufika waphinde wasebenza nabantu baleli uzowubona umehluko la abantu basebenza bazi bakhanyise ngamathoshi kanti laba bakethi umuntu usebenza nje usisikhona kuyophela inyanga usisikhona nje owodwa laba abantu usisikhona boshanga ezinsuku ezintathu bawuphothule bashonele so ezizinto lezi engimele si-account kuzona siyaphambili sifisa ukuthi leli zwe sithathe siphinde futhi sifake nalo ma ukukhuthala zinganza kwethu asikhuthalanga lokho asinazama ukuvikela imosi yethu ayikhuthalanga nhlobo lokho asinazama ukuvikela but ngifuna ukuthi David insizwa la ichaza lapha ukuthi kungani inkampani zisizigcina seziqasha abantu bokufika na sekisizathu iziloko ukuthi siyazidabukela too much ukuthi oh no ngeke sengisebenza kakhulu I need some chocolate I need some break
cheap labor this, cheap labor that. Why do South African trucking companies prefer hiring Zimbabweans over South Africans? Today I'm going to tell you the truth, and the truth shall set us free. Anyone or any company in South Africa that can afford to buy a truck can afford to pay minimum wage. Anyone in South Africa who can afford to buy a truck can afford to register drivers under bargaining council. But where's the question now? Why a Zimbabwean driver compared to a South African driver? This truck now is going to DRC, this specific truck. It's coming from the Durban port. It will take this truck approximately 2 months to reach DRC offloading point. Another 1 month to return back home to South Africa. You will be on the road for 3 months. So how many South African truck drivers do you know who can survive 3 months on the road? It means, Uguti, you only get to see your family 4 times a year. 4 times a year. Zimbabweans are just built differently. Those guys are built for survival. South Africans were not built for survival. A Zimbabwean, Magatoli Panja endleleni, he won't sleep on the road just because of a puncher. Uzolitshintsha le tire leli afake elinye itire. I've seen South Africans sleeping on the road for a week, waiting for the assistance, for someone to come and help them change that tire. But unfortunately, someone has to tell you, it's not about cheap labor, chief. In Africa, there's too many mind games in Africa. There is too many mind games. And Zimbabweans are able to negotiate their way out of it. They're able to de-escalate situations. Guma checkpoint, Guma roadblock in Africa. They can talk their way out of any situation without calling the boss. A South African will easily get frustrated, annoyed. He can even go as far as leaving your truck in Leleni and hiking his way back to South Africa. without your truck uzuyishiya laphayana ehlathini. For example, bafethu, let us look at South African soccer players. Why are we not exporting a lot of South African soccer players abroad? It's because we don't have the right mentality. We cannot survive ngaphandle. We are not conditioned for that. But Zimbabweans are conditioned to survive anywhere emhlabeni. I am going to tell you the truth. I'm the comeback. So that is why companies opt to hire Zimbabweans over South Africans. It's got nothing to do with cheap labor. Danko.